Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to open on-screen keyboard in a Windows 11 PC or laptop without using keyboard. We are using only mouse. So let's go to our video. It is very easy and simple. We are not using keyboard. We are using only mouse. I go to the start. Right click on the start, not a left click. Right click on the start. Here we find settings. Click on the settings. In settings, we find many options. Go to the accessibility, click on the accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down and find keyboard. Find keyboard, click on the keyboard. In keyboard, we find many options. Here we find on-screen keyboard. Here we find it is off. Click at here and on it. And your on-screen keyboard or virtual keyboard is appear on your screen. You can use this keyboard as your physical keyboard. It is an actually virtual keyboard. You can use this keyboard as your keyboard. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.